Okay, so the image generation model in ChatGPT is not exactly the fastest, but at least for now, there is a new feature that lets you create another picture while the other one is still being generated. So let me show you how you can actually utilize this new update. First, let's open ChatGPT, and at the moment when I'm recording this video, this feature seems to be working only on the web version of ChatGPT. I have tried that on my Android phone, but it just doesn't work. Anyway, let's continue. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate a picture of a massive blue star. Okay, let's send a message, and I'm going to create another image on the same chat window. Generate a picture of a massive black hole. Send a message, and I will still able to generate yet another picture. So I'm going to send another message. Generate a picture of a nebula. There you go. Now, there is no clear answer when it comes to how many images that you can create at the same time on ChatGPT on the same window, but I do recommend to keep it no more than 3 images at once, because on my testing, it is actually kind of confused a bit. So first, on this example, I tried to create a picture of a cat, and then I tried to create a picture of a dog, and then I tried to create a picture of a horse, dolphin, but for some reason, it is actually creating yet another picture of a cat. So I think the AI or the system is a bit confused about the request, and eventually it is repeating the same instruction again. So that's why I do recommend to keep everything to minimum and not creating too many images at once in the same window. But again, at least this tiny feature is very useful to save your time, and you don't have to be waiting for one picture to finish to create another one. So that's how you can create multiple pictures at once using ChatGPT. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.